Is this thing on? Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's KaiNKay. We back at again with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about my birthday slash birth week, which was last week, but we're in this week. So we are going to be just kind of explaining that, and I have some clips that I want to show you guys. So I was like, let's just sit down and talk to them about what happened last week. Shout out to everybody that made last week possible: Reese, Cam, Amel, Brennan, Justin, my mom, Kayla's sister, my sister, Shabri, and Ty. I know you weren't there, but shout out to my dog Ty. Much love, my guy. I was off the whole week from my job, and I was trying to pick up shifts literally I was trying to pick up shifts Tuesday, I was trying to pick up shifts Thursday, I was trying to pick up shifts on Saturday night and Sunday, because I wanted to work, I needed the money. And
mind you,
they all got denied, and I was like, what is going on right now? Like, why can't I pick up any shifts? So Tuesday, we went to dinner with my dad. I went to Joe's Crab Shack. I have some clips from that. I'll throw those in here. Wake up, boy. It's time. Oh, boy, you sleeping. You sleeping. Look at those, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Crack it like it's hot.
Crack it like it's hot.
Yes, sir. Got crab? She do.
Okay. Don't touch my legs.
Don't touch my legs. I think.
Butter me up.
Butter me up. Okay.
Welcome to Joe's Crab Shack. Whoa! We have a very special birthday. We have Kai celebrating his 20th birthday with us today. Now Kai told us a secret. He's always wanted to be a superhero. And here at Joe's, we like to have dreams come true. Yeah.
Dreams come true.
If you stop, you start all over who's singing, okay?
Oh, you got
Ready? On the count of 3. Happy birthday to Kai. You run wherever you want. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Kai.
Happy birthday to you.
So after that, we went to my dad's house. I got some birthday cards, and Kayla's like, all right, let's go outside. And I was like, go outside for what? Like, I kind of had an idea of what was going on, not gonna lie to you. I kind of did, but then I was like downing myself.
He had an idea.
There's no way that's...
But exactly. I know he had to have an idea. I don't know how, but Kai seems to always ruin a surprise.
I know. I knew a little bit, but then I just didn't.
I think you did. Somebody gave it up.
I knew a little. No, nobody gave it up.
Somebody gave it up.
Ooh, this thing nice though. Ooh.
He's shining.
I am shining. Yes, sir. I can take you for a little joyride.
Yeah, man. You gotta make sure you understand the clutch.
You come back.
I'm coming back.
Don't act stupid, man.
Be safe.
Not too loud so people sleeping.
He is mind blown right now.
Next, on Wednesday, we ended up going Top Golf to eat. So we ate there, and then Kayla gave me like this note. It said, this is no Puerto Rico, but pack your bags, we leave at 2. Where are we going?
Doesn't matter. Pack your bags.
We leave at 2?
You leave it too.
So I packed my suitcase, and they picked me up and blindfolded me, and my birthday weekend kind of
Alright, so our adventure awaits us. Kai is chilling back there.
You're a horrible vlogger.
Shut up. What?
What?
He's zooming in on you.
Smile. Say hello.
But he can't see a thing. But yeah, anyways, we're headed to the airport right now. And
No, we're not. Stop lying to me.
Shut up. You have no idea where we're going right now.
You better stop lying to me.
Why would I lie to you?
Oh, that's good! It is the second day of my birthday trip. As you saw, they blindfolded me. Got an Airbnb. We're here. We're having fun. Can't ask for a better birthday. Saying thanks to everybody that came out. All of them back there. Y'all see this in the vlog. But we're gonna keep having fun all weekend. We leave Saturday. Close out the vlog without us! Huh? We leave Saturday. I'm not closing it out. Then, after that, when we got back that Saturday, we actually got back to my apartment complex, and Kayla's like, oh, it's such a beautiful day, let's go to the pool. And I was like, no, I just want to sleep.
He's being so lazy. It was so hard to get him out of bed.
So we ended up going to the pool. My mom and Kayla's mom and Kayla's sister and Bryson, they were all there, my grandparents, and they kind of surprised me with like a little birthday party kind of little thing. We had cake, we had food.
Barbecue.
We were by the pool, it was fun.
You just gotta make sure he takes a lot. That's all. I have all the Spanish songs on here.
Overall, it was a great birthday. One of the best birthdays / birth weeks ever. Thank you to everyone that was involved in it. I really appreciate it.
Thank you to everyone who knew the motorcycle secret and didn't slip up. Because half you that did probably slipped up and Kai really didn't even notice. But
yeah, Frankie definitely slipped up.
yeah, Frankie, Jimmy, all of you are insane. But thank you for keeping it a secret.
If you guys like the video of my birth week / birthday / the whole week of birthdays, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share with everybody, as I always say. Share with your auntie, grandmama, your grandpappy, all of them. It's KaiNKay.
And we do this every day.
Just remember, dreams don't work unless you do. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.